Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we will learn how to install a free VPS on Vultr. But before starting the process, you need two things. First, a free trial enable Vultr account. You can grab such offer with $100 credit. Find the link below. Second, install Putty software. It generates a secure key to access the server securely. Now let's hop into the real game. Log into your Vultr account. Hit deploy server. You can see there are four types of server. Choose cloud compute because it is best suited to host a website, and of course it's affordable. In CPU section, you can choose latest generation of chips with NVMe SSD and Intel high frequency for optimum performance. By the way, most cloud users choose Vultr for its high frequency server. If you are on a tight budget, you can go for Intel regular chip. There are 30 server locations which I like most. So choose one which is so close to your main audience to ensure faster server response time. In server image, go to marketplace. Select cyber panel. It's a free panel to manage your VPS operation and website easily. It also offers one-click WordPress, Motic and PrestaShop app. Select starting server size. Keep it on. It's a lifesaver. Tick enable IPv6. In SSD section, hit add new. Now run Putty Gen software. Find it here. Hit generate button and hover your mouse like this. Now copy this key. Paste it right here. Name your key. And hit add SH key. And also save your private key in your PC. Name your server. Now hit deploy now button. It will take a few minutes to install it. Now our server has been installed. Now it's time to update it, access it. So go to server detail. And meanwhile, open your Putty. Copy server IP. Paste it right here. And then click here SH auth and browse your key. Hit open. Yes. Enter root. Your password, copy that. Just right click here and enter. Yes, update it. It will take time. Now our server update has been completed. and server panel has been installed on 8090 port. So copy your server IP, paste it here and enter ratio and 8090 port. Click advance, proceed to your server IP. Now we need username and password, so we will get it here. We need to run this command, sudo get dot light speed underscore password. Copy that, then paste a password, enter username admin, it's a common username, and sign in. We have accessed our cyber panel. In cyber panel we can host website, manage DNS, set up FTP, email, SSL, and we can do many more things. So we will learn everything in a sequence, but in the next video we will learn how to install WordPress in a click on a cyber panel Vultr. So thank you for watching this video. See you again.